G'day there everyone, Uncle Jojo, great to see you all again. If you are a steady watcher of my channel, then you will be as excited as I am about what we're about to build. Over the next 6 months, we'll be building a home that's green. What I mean by green is I'll be using materials and the position of the home to feed the energy of that home without trying to overuse the resources that come into it. So we're going to reduce the gas, we're going to be putting solar on the roof, we're doing homework on the paints that we're using, low VOC products, low volatile organic compound products. We're going to be using materials that are recycled, reclaimed. So the shed that we've just got down just here on the site, that's going to be reclaimed and recycled for somebody else's use. Very little is going to get thrown away. I've got a small pile behind me of timber and trees, I hate to say, that we've got to chop down so we can make space for it, but we're also going to utilize the property that we've got and replant trees and create our own little gardens in the area that will help the air quality around the home, as well as replacing the trees that we've had to cut down in the yard. Throughout the entire build, I'll be documenting who we'll be talking to and getting their professional opinion. Hopefully we'll be getting quite a few interviews throughout the whole process as well. And I'll show you the materials that we're using, where we're getting them from, and how we're utilizing them. We'll be getting recycled bricks. We're even getting concrete that has gone through a recycling process, and I believe it's about 15% recycled concrete and what's called fly ash inside the concrete as well. We'll be polishing the concrete. We've positioned the windows to be able to heat up that concrete or cool that concrete down depending what time of year, and the orientation of the house will be a massive part of that, along with the shading that we've used. If you've seen a couple of my other videos about thermal mass or trajectory of the sun orientation on a building, then you'll know exactly what I'm talking about. So if you haven't, check them out, and you'll be up to date with everything that we're going to be using and utilizing throughout the whole build. Thanks for watching, thanks for all your support, and like always, stay unreal banana peel, and I'll see you in the soup.